ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, പുതിയ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ ഒരു JPHN എക്സാമിൻ്റെ സോൾവ്ഡ് MCQs ആണ്. കേരള PSC പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. കാറ്റഗറി നമ്പർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 173/2017 ആണ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ: ദ വാക്സിൻ വിച്ച് ഈസ് ഗിവൺ ആസ് ഇൻട്രാമസ്കുലർ ഇഞ്ചക്ഷൻ. ദ ഓപ്ഷൻസ് ആർ മീസിൽസ് വാക്സിൻ, BCG, DT and OPV. And the answer is DT. The next question: the green stick type of fracture is common in which of the following group? The options are children, elderly people, women and obese persons. And the answer is children. The next question: venom of cobra attacks on. The options are digestive system, nervous system, circulatory system and respiratory system. And the answer is nervous system. The next question: puerperium is the period in a woman's life which is. The options are first week after her first menstruation, first 6 weeks after delivery, first 2 weeks after marriage, period from conception to delivery. And the answer is first 6 weeks after delivery. Next question: following is not a staff under primary health center. The options are medical officer, health worker female, lab technician and CT scan technician. And the answer is CT scan technician. The next question: following is a disease spread through the urine of rats. The options are leptospirosis, chikungunya, malaria and dengue fever. And the answer is leptospirosis. The next question: which of the following statement about rice is false? The options are milled raw rice contains low amount of vitamin B, husked raw rice is a poor source of calcium, hand pounded undermilled rice is a fair source of B vitamins, and parboiling of rice causes loss of thiamine while milling. And the answer is parboiling of rice causes loss of thiamine while milling. Next question: at how many weeks of gestation uterus reaches the level of umbilicus? The options are 32 weeks, 20 weeks, 22 weeks and 12 weeks. And the answer is 20 weeks. Next question: MDT is a treatment approach for which disease? MDT means multi-drug treatment. The options are AIDS, leprosy, tuberculosis and hepatitis. And the answer is tuberculosis. Next question: Mission Indradhanush is a program related to. The options are palliative care, antenatal care, immunization and mental health. And the answer is immunization. Next question: Pap smear is a simple test to predict the occurrence of dash in females. The options are ovarian cancer, breast cancer, oral cancer and cervical cancer. And the answer is cervical cancer. Next question: the relationship of fetal head and limbs to its trunk is. The options are attitude, lie, presentation and polarity. And the answer is attitude. Next question: Anganwadis function under which central government program? The options are BSS, ICDS, NMEP and NRHM. And the answer is ICDS, means Integrated Child Development Service. Next question: what is the management of postpartum hemorrhage? The options are give oxytocin drug, Start an IV infusion. Massage uterine fundus in circular motion, and all of the above. And the answer is all of the above. The next question, which of the following is a description of third degree of tear after delivery? The options are 2 cm long tear on right mediolateral area of vagina after labor, a tear involving vaginal muscles, a tear involving anal sphincter, and a tear extending into vaginal mucosa. And the answer is a tear involving anal sphincter. The next question, a child doubles its birth weight at, the options are 5 months, 8 months, 10 months, and 12 months. And the answer is 5 months. The next question, phototherapy is used to treat dash in newborns. The options are physiological jaundice, anemia, convulsions, and fever. And the answer is physiological jaundice. The next question, for a pure anemic woman, which of the following foods may be added to her diet in plenty? The options are milk and curd, green leafy vegetables, fruits, and cucumber. And the answer is green leafy vegetables. Next question, kidneys are composed of millions of functional units called, the options are neurons, rod cells, nephrons, and follicles. And the answer is nephrons. Next question, which day is observed as World TB Day? The options are October 30, September 29, February 14, and March 24. And the answer is March 24. The next question, dash is added to water to remove temporary hardness. The options are calcium hydroxide, ion exchange resins, sodium bicarbonate, and calcium carbonate. And the answer is calcium hydroxide, and it's also known as sake lime. The next question, dash is the best spacing method for a woman who has one child. The options are copper T, tubectomy, oral pills, and vasectomy. And the answer is copper T. Next question, MTP Act came into force in India in the year. The options are 1971, 1948, 1986, and 1969. And the answer is 1971. Next question, which of the following statement about rights of children in India is false? The options are a child has the right to physical, emotional, and social development. A child's right to survival begins from birth. A child has the right to be protected against all sorts of abuse. And a child has the right to participate in any decision directly involving himself. And the answer is a child's right to survival begins from birth. Next question, the causative agent of diphtheria is, the options are Bordetella, Salmonella, Corynebacterium, and Mycobacterium. And the answer is Corynebacterium. Corynebacterium diphtheria is causative agent. The next question, obesity is defined as body mass index. The options are more than 30, less than 18, between 25 to 29, and from 20 to 25. And the answer is more than 30. Next question, AIDS is transmitted by, the options are bite of bedbugs, sitting on same bench with a patient, sexual contact with a patient, and shaking hands with a patient. And the answer is sexual contact with a patient. Next question. The incubation period of influenza is, the options are 1 to 2 days, 1 to 2 weeks, 15 to 20 days, and 1 to 6 months. And the answer is 1 to 2 days. Next question. The following is a measure to control dengue fever epidemic in your locality. The options are washing hands before eating food, drinking only boiled water, remove all collections of water from old tires, broken toys, etc., and covering mouth and nose while in public places with a mask. And the answer is remove all collections of water from old tires, broken toys, etc. Next question. The following is an advice given to an antenatal woman. The options are do not wear cotton garments, do not eat fruits in early pregnancy, do not take vitamin supplements, and do not take over the counter medicines. And the answer is do not take over the counter medicines. The next question. Which of the following is a true statement about breastfeeding? The options are breastfeeding will not help in weight gain of a newborn baby. If a baby develops diarrhea, breastfeeding may be stopped temporarily. Breastfeeding should be started 2 hours after normal delivery. Last one is breastfeeding promotes bonding between mother and baby. And the answer is breastfeeding promotes bonding between mother and baby. Next question. Meconium is, the options are blood in urine, first stool of a newborn, breast milk produced in the first few days after delivery. Next one is discharge from uterus after delivery. Answer is first stool of a newborn. The next question. Pentavalent vaccine will not protect a baby against the following disease. The options are hepatitis, pertussis, polio, and diphtheria. And the answer is polio. Next question. Ratio of cardiac compression to ventilation in giving basic life support for an adult is, the options are 50:2, 20:2, 30:2, and 40:2. And the answer is 30:2. Next question. Oral pills should not be given to a woman with, the options are menstrual problems, hypertension, asthma, and vaginal infection. And the answer is hypertension. Next question. The expected date of delivery of a woman with LMB on January 20 is, the options are July 20, October 20, September 27, and October 27. And the answer is October 27. LMB plus 9 months plus 7 days ആണ്. The next question. The process of developing and providing planned experiences to supply information, change attitude, and influence behavior is, the options are health promotion, wellness, health education, and coordinated school health. And the answer is health education. The next question. An android pelvis is one which has, the options are kidney shaped brim, fifth lumbar vertebrae fused to sacrum, heart shaped brim, and ovoid brim. And the answer is heart shaped brim. Next question. An increase in thyroid hormone result in, the options are Addison's disease, cretinism, Cushing's disease, and Graves' disease. And the answer is Graves' disease. Next question. The UV radiation from the sun is likely to cause dash in human. The options are skin cancer, lung cancer, liver cancer, and brain cancer. And the answer is skin cancer. The next question. Which of the following correctly lists the item from smallest to largest? The options are DNA, genome, chromosome and gene. DNA, gene, chromosome and genome. Genome, gene, DNA and chromosome. And last one is gene, genome, DNA and chromosome. And the answer is DNA, gene, chromosome and genome. The next question, which of the following is not a function of medulla oblongata? The options are coordination of skeletal muscles, control of heartbeat, control of respiratory rate and control of digestion. And the answer is coordination of skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle coordinate ചെയ്യുന്നത് cerebellum. The next question, the normal human uterus is described as, the options are unicornuate, anteverted, bicornuate and subseptate. And the answer is anteverted. Next question, the normal head circumference in a newborn baby is, the options are 35 to 40 cm, 33 to 35 cm, 20 to 30 cm and 45 to 50 cm. And the answer is 33 to 35 cm. Next question, which of the following is an indication of induction of labor? The options are unreliable EDD, cephalopelvic disproportion, malpresentation and previous large baby. And the answer is previous large baby. The next question, dash is a deworming agent. The options are permethrin, amoxicillin, mebendazole and Lysol. And the answer is mebendazole. Albendazole, mebendazole okay, deworming agents are. The next question, bad breath is called as, the options are tuberculosis, halitosis, pediculosis and mycosis. And the answer is halitosis. The next question, the first sign of dehydration in a child with diarrhea is, the options are pinched skin retracts slowly, unconsciousness, increased thirst and sunken fontanelles. And the answer is increased thirst. Next question, one subcenter covers the area of dash population in general. The options are 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 and 30,000. And the answer is 5,000 and in hilly areas it is 3,000. Next question, rule of 9 helps to identify the severity of, the options are hemorrhage, burns, growth retardation and physical disability. And the answer is burns. Next question, the following shows bleeding from an artery. The options are color of blood is dark red, blood oozes slowly, profuses continuous bleeding, blood squirts intermittently. And the answer is blood squirts intermittently. Next question, Heimlich maneuver is used as first aid for managing. The options are choking, poisoning, shock and burns. And the answer is choking. Next question, isosorbate dinitrate is a drug used in the treatment of which of the following diseases? The options are heart diseases, infection, hypertension and cancer. And the answer is heart disease. Next question, normal hemoglobin for adult female is, the options are 10 to 12 gram percentage, 13 to 17 gram percentage, 16 to 18 gram percentage and 12 to 15 gram percentage. And the answer is 12 to 15 gram percentage. Next question, quickening occurs in primigravida at dash weeks of pregnancy. The options are 10 to 12 weeks, 18 to 20 weeks, 20 to 24 weeks, and 26 to 28 weeks. And the answer is 18 to 20 weeks. The next question, chlorpheniramine is an dash group of drug. The options are anticonvulsant, antihistamine, antacid, and antibiotic. And the answer is antihistamine. The next question, 1 pint is equal to dash ml. The options are 150, 200, 350, and 500. And the answer is 500 ml. The next question, the direct cause of bed sore in a patient with incontinence of urine is, the options are pathogens, friction, pressure, and moisture. And the answer is moisture. The next question, inflammation of tongue is, the options are glossitis, stomatitis, gingivitis, and sinusitis. And the answer is glossitis. The next question, premature separation of a normally situated placenta after 28th week of pregnancy is, the options are placenta previa, habitual abortion, placental abruption, and vesicular mole. And the answer is placental abruption. The next question, the hormone which is produced from pineal gland. The options are calcitonin, progesterone, ghrelin, and melatonin. And the answer is melatonin. The next question, the name of presentation in which the buttocks of fetus lies in the lower pole of uterus. The options are vertex, face, brow, and breech. And the answer is breech. Next question, 1 gram of fat gives dash calorie energy when broken down. The options are 9 calories, 8 calories, 4 calories, and 2 calories. And the answer is 9 calories. The next question, which of the following is a killed vaccine? The options are OPV, BCG, MMR, and rabies. And the answer is rabies. Next question, the type of isolation technique used in conditions when pathogens are transmitted through fecal matter is, the options are respiratory isolation, enteric isolation, skin isolation, and blood isolation. And the answer is enteric isolation. Next question, immediate treatment of dog bite is, the options are hospitalize, application of antiseptic, wash wound with soap and water, and suturing of wound. And the answer is wash wound with soap and water. Next question, in an autoclave, temperature set for sterilization should be, the options are 63 degrees Celsius, 90 degrees Celsius, 121 degrees Celsius, and 115 degrees Celsius. And the answer is 121 degrees Celsius. The next question, who discovered the polio vaccine? The options are Louis Pasteur, Jonas Salk, Conrad Seuss, Eli Whitney. And the answer is Jonas Salk. Next question, insects responsible for transmitting diseases are called, the options are transmitter, drones, vector, and conductor. And the answer is vector. The next question, which of the following blood pressure value denotes hypotension? The options are 120 by 80 mm of Hg, 130 by 90 mm of Hg, 160 by 110 mm of Hg, and 80 by 60 mm of Hg. And the answer is 80 by 60 mm of Hg. The next question, which of the following food have the highest protein content? Options are cereals, legumes, millets, and tubers. And the answer is legumes. Next question, mark the correct statement. The options are all sperm fertilize all eggs. Eggs are fertilized by many sperms. Each egg is usually fertilized by one sperm, and each sperm fertilizes one egg. And the answer is each egg is usually fertilized by one sperm. Next question, the disease caused by deficiency of protein in children is called? The options are pellagra, marasmus, beriberi, and rickets. And the answer is marasmus. Next question, the richest source of vitamin A is? The options are cheese, milk, spinach, cod liver oil. And the answer is cod liver oil. The next question, the second stage of labor extends from? The options are full dilatation of the cervix to the birth of the baby, starting of true labor pain to full dilatation of cervix, from birth of the baby to the expulsion of placenta, and last one is from the engagement of fetal head to the rupture of membranes. And the answer is full dilatation of the cervix to the birth of the baby. Next question, the milk of which of the following mammal has highest content of fat? The options are buffalo, human, goat, and cow. And the answer is buffalo. Next question, which of the following indicates impending eclampsia in a woman with preeclampsia? The options are fatigue, headache, edema of feet, vaginal discharge. And the answer is headache. Next question, pigmentation of skin is due to? The options are leukocytes, lymphocytes, monocytes, and melanocytes. And the answer is melanocytes. The next question, which of the following is a hormonal contraceptive? The options are Depo-Provera, diaphragm, male condoms, and spermicidal jelly. And the answer is Depo-Provera. Next question, which among the following hormone can be used as a drug to treat cardiac arrest? The options are thyroxine, calcitonin, epinephrine, and insulin. And the answer is epinephrine. അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ. ഇതിൽ 80 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. അതിൽ 20 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് GK ജനറൽ നോളജ് ആയിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൽ 80 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്.